meters remaining. We saw this young lady have a little trouble losing a ski on rail feature number 1. She's going to shake that off and drop in for her second run out of Estonia. Give it up for Kelly Sildaru.
Yeah, if Kelly puts down a run, it's going to be pretty hard to beat. She had the most technical run out here today on the course, and she just has to put it down clean. Starting it off with the switch left 2. There it is, continuing to getting past that first.
Win here in Breckenridge. And there it is, 90.80 points for Kelly Sildaru.